Let's see how to use new yarn in new line in crochet. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Now in this video I am using single crochet stitch. Okay, and this is like 2 rows of single crochet stitch. And See, when you want to change your yarn color, it is better you change it in the front side. Okay, for that we need to start from the last stitch of the previous row. Now we are at the back side of the crochet work. Okay, so this is second last stitch. I'll show you last stitch also. Now see, this is the last stitch of each row. You will get it in each row. Now here we are. Now here we will not complete our single crochet stitch. To change the yarn we always need 2 loops on the needle. Okay, so and take your new yarn in the hold it like this, the way I am holding. Then grab the yarn and pull through from both of the stitches at once, both of the loops at once. See, this is the way. Then make a chain crochet stitch, and now turn your crochet work. Okay, you can tighten those yarns or like initial stitches get loose. Now done with last stitch, turn your crochet work. Okay, now see, now we are in the front side of our crochet work. So this is best whenever you are changing your yarn, it is better to work on the front side of the crochet work. So when you are working on the front side of the crochet work, you are supposed to use back loop of each stitch. You are supposed to make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. See, I am using back loop of each stitch and I am making stitches using that. So you get a like clean line, stitches are not seen, and as if somebody has painted it. Just look at that. Now when we are at the back side of the crochet work, we will use top front loop of each stitch. See, when we are at the back side of the crochet work, we will use top front loop. Okay, so I'll show you once more. I'll show you how to change your yarn, and I won't disturb you anymore. You can even slow down the speed, so you will get a more slower version. Okay, enjoy. See, following this technique, you can see no stitches are seen. You can differentiate proper three rows lines. Okay, and it looks quite clean work. So, for more such tips, for more such techniques in crochet, please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. So like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.